Let me show you how to tell if you have a Whirlpool-made vertical modular washer. The Whirlpool-made vertical modular washers come with many different names like Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Roper, Maytag, KitchenAid, and a few more. The first thing you need to look for are for these lights under the cycle selector knob and for a start button like this one. Next, let me show you what to look for under the washer. You will need to lay down the machine to look under it. With the washer laying down on the floor or tilted against the wall, you will see the following parts. I am removing the motor and belt guard to be able to show you better. If you want to do this, you could do it. If you don't have to. Here you can see the water pump, the motor run capacitor, the transmission shifter, the belt and the belt pulley, and the motor assembly. You will also see the 4 drum suspension shock absorbers. If your washer have all the parts that I show you in this video, then you have a Whirlpool made vertical modular washer. If you subscribe to my channel, you will be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.